Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you see me shampoo Sydney's hair, then I did a deep condition with my fabric steamer, then I used the Rev Air to blow it out, and then I did a deep trim to her hair, and now it's time to style it. And if you want to see how I style it, go ahead and stay tuned. So as you all know, I had to pre-part her hair off camera because it's always a task, and she's showing you the hair that we are going to use, and of course it's from Toyotress, and it is these beautiful 12-inch beach curls. Beautiful beach curls. Look at the color. This is going to be a first for Sydney. The color is P427. Yes, she's going to have a 27, and she's showing you the crochet needle, even though we're not going to use it, but it does come inside the pack. And because we have a time doing Sydney's hair, I made this the easiest style for her. It's only going to be 14 braids, so we have more than enough hair. The hair comes with 8 packs, and it's only 12 inches, so it's not going to be so long and weighing her hair down, because these things are beautiful. Look at them. The color, I will wear this color, but Sydney was like, "Mom, I'm wearing that color." I'm like, "Yeah, you wear all types of colors, so why not wear 27?" You know, so I am going to do some knotless braids in her hair, and it was a struggle just to get those parts. Sydney's hair is so freaking thick, y'all. I don't know, like, it's still hurting her for me to actually section her hair off, but I'm using these beautiful beach curls, and the hair is really lightweight. It's soft, tangle free. I didn't have any tangles with this, so I'm going to do what they call like the goddess or the tree braids. I'm going to braid down, and then I'm going to leave one of those curls up, section it away from the hair, and then I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to braid down all the way down, and then I'm going to leave a curly section at the bottom, and then I'm just going to loop it so it can be secure and it won't the braid won't unravel. And you guys know I like to do easy, quick hairstyles for Sydney herself. If you want this hairstyle, of course, you can do 3 rows in the back, and you can have at least, starting off in the back, 3 sections, so you'll have 3 braids. I only did 2, of course, because I wanted these to be jumbo braids, so this was good for me and Sydney. But if you want smaller braids, at least start with 3 in the back, and then probably 6, and then 8, and then at least 8 on top. But our goal was to do 14. And every time I parted through her hair, Sydney's hair is really, I want to say, I need to find a moisturizing product for her scalp. And I noticed that her hair gets tangled really easily. So if you have some suggestions, leave them at the bottom in the comments, so we can talk about any products that you know that will help Sydney. And I think I'm going to transition her hair, but if you have any suggestions, leave them down below and we can talk about it. But this hairstyle was like the easiest hairstyle to do. I'm like, okay, because Sydney wanted to go, she had like a play date again. Like every day I allow her to go outside with her friends, and I'm like, let me hurry up and do something to her hair that she doesn't have to sit here so long, you know. So this is what I came up with, and I think it was really beautiful. And a lot of people use this hair for crochet, but I didn't want to do that for Sydney's hair. So I was like, okay, let me see if I can do some knotless braids with this hair. And I like that it's already separated and it's pre-looped. It's not like a loop, but it gives you an indication of where you can like start a braid or where to start it and finish it. And I love that. So you don't have to just take time to separate it, which is a task, and they already do that for you. So I'm like, yes, this helped me a lot with time. And I'm just going to show you like how I had to like kind of brush Sydney's hair out, make sure it's detangled, and just get a good grip on the first part. So I'm braiding down at least 4 or 5 times. And then I had Sydney help me with the hair, and she's handed it to me. And then I braid down a couple times, maybe 3 times now. Then I take a piece of the synthetic hair, because this is synthetic, and I braid down. I add another piece of the beach curls, which I love. I think I might try to do these in crochet in her hair, but not have them as long. Maybe get like an 8-inch for her, and that will be bomb. But yeah, I braided down. I added another piece of hair in, and then I just did like a little slip knot at the end of her hair. And this was actually easier for me, instead of getting like glue, like nail glue or hair glue. It was just easier to just take a little piece of hair and tie it around, wrap it around, and then loop it. And I did that about 3 to 4 times just to secure it, and it's beautiful. So guys, you know, if you want this hair, go down to my description box and it'll have all the information in there. And I think you might even get a percentage off. I don't know, but just click the link in my description box. And it also offers several different colors in this hair. You'll see it's called Cocoa Curls Jamaican Bounce Wavy Curls, and it's synthetic hair. So you'll see that. If you see that, those are the colors that you'll that are available to you. And I would advise you to get it because they're soft. It does not tangle. And when I say I put the foaming wrap on it at the end, and it just sealed, you can feel it through your fingers as you're going through it with the wrapping foam. You can feel it seal in your hands, and it feels so good, so lightweight. And she only has 14 braids, so it's not heavy at all. And then the braids don't make it heavy. They don't add additional weight to it. So it's a good hairstyle, and it's good it's kid friendly. It's for people who don't want to spend a lot of time doing hair, or if you might have like your kids, or you might have thinning hair, or you know, things going on that you don't want to put heavy hair in your head, heavy synthetic hair. So this is good. It's a good cost, and it's comparable with the weight of hair to human hair, but it's not human, it's synthetic, but it feels just as light as human hair. That's my point. But I thank you guys for watching. Sydney loved this hair. I love it. I'll probably do another hairstyle with it next week and actually do crochet, but we love this. Sydney loved this. I did her baby hair. I added the foam, and then I put a scarf over her hair, and then I blow dried it to get that nice set look, sealed shine. And if you want this hair, go ahead and go click the link in my description box. They'll have everything, all the information you need on this hair. It really took me a long time to do Sydney's hair. Like, I needed to detangle it, and then that took a day. And then I need to wash, blow dry, that took a day, and then I'm styling it. It's really a 3-day event just to style Sydney's hair. So I thank you guys for rolling with me, and if you have not seen those videos, go ahead and click those links, because I'll have those in my description box or above. I'll tab it out for you guys. But I thank you guys for watching. Please hit that notification bell if you haven't already, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I just thank you guys for watching, and share this video. And if you like it, that helps me out a lot as well. So like this video and share it. And I just appreciate y'all. And these are the bouncy beach curls, and they are so lovely. They're not called bouncy beach curls, but they are bouncy and they're beach curls, so I'm calling them the bouncy beach curls. But thank you guys, and have a blessed day. Bye.